Hi everyone and welcome. So today I'm going to be reviewing a beautiful product from Flaipixels. This is the acrylic LED panel. It's so beautiful. It's a product that everyone needs to own in their home or in your office or what beautiful space you have. So this acrylic panel comes in different sizes. If you want to check out the specific size that you want, please go into the description box and click the link to the website where you see like the different sizes. It can be in portrait or landscape as well, so you have a different variety of how to display your picture or whatever you want to display, be it your art or your picture. This is the acrylic LED in the sense that it lightens up and it's so beautiful. It gives like a bright, that plenishing look to your environment, to that space that you want to beautify. So I'm going to encourage anyone to get this product. If you like it, of course you're going to love it because there's no product out there like this acrylic LED. So this glass frame, it's so beautiful, and this is the front. When we look at the back, you can connect this to any switch, like you connect your TV, so it can be connected to any switch. And you also have like the battery where you put in battery for you to light it up. And of course, if you're out of battery, you can always replace this, which is really beautiful as well. And you know, this is where you turn it on and off. So I'm going to do a sample by turning it on and off. This is how it looks when it's off. So when I turn it on, this is how it's going to look. You see it lightens up on the sides, and you know, compared to other local or other picture frames that are out there, I haven't seen any picture frame that lightens by the side. I've seen those that, you know, they put like light, then you have to use a switch to put it on and off. But this one, you just have to turn it on the back and it lightens up. And if you don't want it, you can still turn it off. So I'm going to turn it off, and this is how it looks. So on this frame, you can either put like a beautiful art, or you can put like a picture of your grandma, your grandpa, any picture that you want to put, your spouse, your parents. I mean, you have a lot of variety on what you want to put on the frame. So yes, if you really love this product, guys, go get it on Flaipixels website. As I mentioned before, the link is in the description box, so go check out their website. And of course, don't forget to share with friends and family about this beautiful product. And the last but not the least, it has like these holders where you can hang it on the wall and not destroy your wall. So we got you covered. Don't forget to go to their website and purchase one of these. Thank you. Bye-bye.